model, 2015 Ford Transit Custom 270L1 diesel front-wheel drive 2.2 TDCi 100ps low-roof van spares OR repair. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 175,345. Engine, 2,198 cc 2.2 100ps TDCI-A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, takes a few more cranks than usual to start. Engine back pressuring, cracked piston. Will need repairing or replacing. A job worth doing to get this back on the road. Open mouth smile. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.